Hey, I don't really know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna find out because this is my first real unboxing without Summer because she had moved. But today we've got the Treasure Welcoming collection from 2024. So I'm super excited. And K-Town delayed it, of course, but that's because of the POBs. So we'll see what we get there too. Also, I have Dream in here, but I'm not going to do that just yet. So don't get too excited. But let's see. Oh boy. Oh yeah, you can see it. Cool. Just gonna kind of go along and not try to mess it up too bad. Oh, I'm super excited. Let's see. Yay. Oh, yay. All right, later. Oh man. That's fine. So let's see. I didn't even know they were doing this until pretty recently. So, okay, two of those are Dream. Cool. Hang on one second though, because I can't see. Oh, that's even weirder. It's so shadowy. Kind of like it better without the light. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna go. Either way, Do-Young, so cute. And Yoshi, super cute. That's the two POBs I got from that. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the boxes. Man, this thing's heavy. Like, when I got the package outside, I was like, oh my god, this box is so heavy, but it's so pretty. It's like smooth. But that's what it looks like. 2024 Welcoming Collection. That's the side. It says the same thing on both sides. Either way. Oh man, okay. So, what I looked at, pretty much all the sets of things are random in here, so we're gonna go through all of those after. Let's see. I think that's probably the desk calendar. Oh my god. Y'all, look how thick this book is. Holy crap. Okay. Let me put that here. Okay. Like so. Oh man. That's crazy. I don't know what I'm gonna look at first. This is, I don't know. Like cute. Kind of like a diary almost, but with like polos. Cute. That's neat. I love this concept. Man, it's not y'all. This thing looks blurry. I guess because they're maybe like pictures of actual pictures. But they're super cute. Like it's very matte. I love him so much. Cute. I don't know how I feel about Jaehyuk being blonde though. Like it's not bad. It's odd. So cute. Oh, I love his little flowers. That's adorable. Cute. I like when they draw. Fruito's hair is getting long. Ooh. Cute. Okay, well that was cool. I don't know what that is, but what is this, by the way? Hold on. I think this is like the calendar poster thing. Oh, it is. It's like a 1-year calendar. It's pretty. I like the gold. It's very big. Let's see. This is the desk calendar. So that's so neat. I really like this pilot thing they got going. That's really cute. Get pictures on the back? No. Let's go through the pictures first. I love his red hair. This is so weird talking to myself, y'all. Like, I don't know. Oh man, that's so cool. Oh, he's so handsome. Congratulations on graduating. Yay, he's the last one. Yep. So cute. Ah, Doyoung's so cute. Adorable. I think he keeps shaving the sides of his head. I kind of like it. Handsome. Cute. Cute. I think on the other sides it's just like, yeah, they just have like their birthdays and anniversaries and stuff. Oh, I think they each did a page though. Like a calendar page. Because they all wrote them differently. Nice. Cute. So cute. Oh my god. Everybody's got their own style. It's so neat. I like that. Oh my gosh, y'all, this book is so big. Oh. I don't know if I'm going to go through every single page, but just to get the gist of it. Zoom. Pretty. I wonder why they're not going in like age order, or are they? Maybe they are now. No, they're not. Okay, yeah, I thought so. Cute. Yeah, because Doyoung's like really young, I think. I know he's not older than Yoshi or Asai. Cute. Boy, they're really going for this pilot concept. I think that's all the member ones themselves, but yeah. Y'all can kind of get the idea. Gonna flip through really quick. Oh, cute. Reddish brown hair or black hair? Or blonde? What do y'all think? Red suits him. Cute. Man, this book is so giant. Like, damn. I like that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Cute. Oh, giant book. Okay, let's see. So, let's get the rest of that. Because there's more stuff. There's a folder and something just fell out of it and it's random and I'm not gonna look. It's got his name on the back. But that's okay. Because it's J-Yuck. His little ID. That is so cute. Like, him and Junkyoo are my favorites. I love them all though. They're so neat. So cute. Like shaking. Flip it that way. Cute. Okay. More random stuff. Let me just take it out because it will fall anyway. These are their little IDs, but it's just a picture. It's not stickers, I don't think. Nope. Cute though. Let's see. And then a ticket. Yeah, like that's really cute. Like a real ticket. Stickers. Uncut stickers. We love those so much. Let's see. And then the people stickers, also uncut. Oh well, but they're really cute. Look. I like that. Cool. Okay, then there's these things. Let's do this first because that might be, yeah, the Polaroids. Okay. So there's supposed to be like a couple of random things in here too. Let's do these, like unit Polaroids. So there's like 4 different sets or whatever of each thing. So cute though. I like that. They're so blurry. It's not just me. They're really blurry. It's like to Yoshi. Too cute. Oh my god. J-Yuck. Sahi. Doyoung. Haruto. Joel. One. Super cute. Super, super, super cute. Let's try these. Whoa. Handsome. Let's see. That's what the backs look like. They're all the same. So cute. He always makes that face. Him too. Oh, he's upside down. So, oh, they do have random ones. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, those are gold on the back. Cute. I love that. And then another one. So cute. The babies. I like that. Okay, let's see. Let me move that. But I'm going to keep them there. And let's do these. Oh, the home concept. He looks frightened. Wait. Oh, they're gray. Okay. So you wanna... I don't know why, but they're all like so faded out. Like, I mean, I guess it's the styling concept, but like they just look blurry on purpose. Maybe I'm blurry. If they're not blurry, they're like muted, I guess. Cute. Cute. And then the other one, what's the ID? And that's pretty much it. There's a lot of stuff in there, but yeah. Oh man, thanks for watching. Probably we'll do a flip through of NCT Dream next, and then just kind of show you guys what I got, because I think everybody's seen that unboxing already. But yeah, that was Treasures 2024 Welcoming Collection. Thanks. Have a good weekend. Yes, it's Friday. Okay, bye.